24th of June 2016, a very interesting day for the United Kingdom. We have voted to leave the EU. And here's the problem. If you have voted to leave the EU and you have got your result, it's going to be very easy to assume that life is suddenly going to be a bed of roses, that everything's going to get better, the NHS is going to get fixed, taxes are going to come down, and unicorns will be roaming all of the open park areas. The fact is, problems are still going to happen, and we're still going to face challenges. Tax rises, the economy, the NHS, and political division are all yet to happen to us, and it will happen. But equally, if you are on the Remain, it's going to be really easy for you to look for evidence to say, well, I told you it was going to be rubbish, it's now going to be rubbish, and you'll look for evidence and you'll post it on social media, you tell your friends whenever you can to show you why you were right. And the reality is that whether you chose to stay in or whether you chose to leave, the single and only person who is going to be responsible for your success is going to be you. Whether you got the result or didn't like the result, decisions are still going to be made that you won't like. Challenges are still going to be faced that you won't like. And what really matters is having that mental resilience to work through the problems, either collectively or individually in your own areas. I don't ever wish in business people luck, because luck is what happens when you just leave things to chance. We're going to have to work really hard, but individually, you're going to have to work really hard. You're going to be noticing those thoughts in your head, the fear of the uncertain. And the reality is most of the things that we might be worried about will never happen. Already we're hearing about so much money has been lost on today's stock market. But the reality is that was probably always going to happen. But guess what? It will probably bounce back at some point. But moaning about it will never change it. So we've really got two choices. Are we going to spend all of our time hoping that the government will make our life better? Or are we going to spend more of our time thinking, what am I going to do to make my life better? Even if what is happening isn't ideal, then what really matters is what you do about it. So for each and every one of you who's watching this video, please, yes, we're in an emotional state of mind. Those of you who are euphorically happy and those of you who are really distraught to some degree, and anywhere along that continuum. But what really matters is you. Decisions will continue to happen that you don't like. Challenges will still be faced no matter what. So what really matters is how you deal with what needs to be dealt with. So don't worry about the future. Take a look at what's happening, look at the facts, but notice that what you worry about very often doesn't actually ever happen, except inside your head. So good luck in the future, even though I just said I don't believe in good luck, but good luck in working through what needs to be worked through, making the right choices for you, your family, your work, your business. But most importantly, my advice to anybody who's going through hell, keep going. There's no point in having a pity party and moaning about it. What matters is action. Every single day deciding, okay, this is happening. What am I going to do about it? Thank you very much.